Hey team, I wanted to walk through the 13.8 planning issue as we kick off refinement for that milestone. So the dates for 13.8 are December 22nd through January 21st of next year. So over some major US holidays. So we anticipate reduced capacity is the first thing I want to call out, probably down 20%. So as always, we plan ambitiously. So we probably don't have less than 20% in there of traditional issue and weight of what we've been delivering, but we'll be taking a close look at that as we move closer to kicking this off. Some of the key or top priority deliverables that I want to call out within the milestone, the test history MVC, the full unit test report. So that is extending what we built within the merge request widget and adding that into the full unit test report. So adding that data in there. Some of the other top things that we want to look at are continuing to track paid feature usage with usage ping. So there's a couple of issues in 13.8 to continue our work on that, and that'll culminate or finish up in 13.9 as we then build out the aggregated metric. So tracking metrics report usage, which we see a lot of jobs that create metrics reports. So that'll be a key one for us. And then load performance testing, which is an emergent category. It's still minimal, but that'll give us good eyes onto how much are people actually using this. Is there an appetite there, folks trying to use it, engage with it, where we can really build out that feature set and differentiate ourselves from competitors. And then finally, the code quality without Docker and Docker. And I'll talk about that a little bit more at the end when I talk about OKRs. So as I looked today, today is November 24th, at things that require additional refinement, there's only a few left already. So great work getting everything already looked at and weights applied. Code quality without Docker and Docker is one of them. So we need to put some focus on that and making sure that we are ready to go. We have a solid proposal to get that done. And then creating the partial report file as pipeline artifact. That sets us up for later features of adding code quality violations in line in the commit. We've seen great adoption of the test coverage visualization of developers who want to see if lines are covered by tests. We anticipate really big adoption or high adoption of that feature as well among the code quality user base, so they can see, is there a code quality violation in here as part of the code review. Design items that are happening, HIANA code quality inline notices, the feature that I just talked about. We have a design for that. We just need to give it a second set of eyes as you're coming on board and getting up to speed. So we created a specific design issue for that, and that is linked here. No bugs, no security, no tech debt issues, although we should probably rename this section to feature maintenance issues, Ricky. UX debt issues, fortunately nothing there. And then the OKR alignment, test history MVC. This leads into Sid's OKR around popular next-gen product, as noted by a popular open source project. The link is to the blog there. When they were changing their CI system, they called out that a UI to browse test history should be obvious for any CI system, but we don't have one. Tracking the paid features, that's going to help us deliver that growing incremental ACV. It's not directly growing ACV, but it'll give us telemetry metrics around how people are using our features, how many people are using our features, which ones should we invest in to drive that in future milestones. And then the code quality without Docker and Docker. This one can directly impact growing ACV. Code quality is a paid feature, and we know that there's users who cannot use it or will not use it because of the Docker and Docker requirement. So if we can remove that requirement, we unlock additional market that we can sell that feature into, or that can start to use that feature for us. So if you have any questions, drop me a ping in Slack or on this issue. Everyone should have access to it. And I'll see you, I guess I won't see you in refinement because we're doing async refinement now. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.